So I've just spent like 15 minutes making this logo on that free logo design site, and at the end it says low resolution version is gonna be 200 pixels by 200 pixels. What the fuck? Even my profile picture resolution is fucking higher than that shit. In this video, I will teach you how to make a free logo in less than 5 minutes, also using an online, but a legit free one. And it will send you the high resolution logo into your email so you can use it and download it. And if I've actually seen somebody teach me how to do that, I would fucking smash his subscribe button, man. I'll really do it. So go do that, and don't forget to also hit the notification bell so you can actually get notified whenever I upload any new video. And also, watch the video till the end. You stick to the end of the video, you learn how to do it. No magic. So I just found this amazing website, or call it whatever you want. You can get your logo done for free. For actually most of the social media places that you use your logo in, like LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and all these things. I'm going to show you a little example here of what I've got using this website. Let me just check out back. This is the website, by the way. Let me just show you something. That's the file that you get after you make your logo, after you design your logo. Let me just show it right over here. So as you guys can see, you see Facebook cover photo 1, Facebook cover photo 2, actually for both resolutions, for mobile and for computer as well. Profile image for Facebook, fav icon, Instagram profile, LinkedIn banner image, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, actually most of the places that you use logos in. So this, by all the means, this is the best website that you can get your logo done in less than 5 minutes. So let's start. We've been talking about the benefits of this site. This site is called hatchful.shopify.com. For some reason they didn't get a domain yet, but I'm pretty sure this site is going to be the best. So now get started, and you actually have to sign up, because they're going to send you your logo to your email. So for example, I've chosen art and photos. Okay, you choose your best visual style. For me, I've chosen classic and innovative and strong, and I got some certain results, but I want to change that. Let's see what are we gonna get this time. Let me for example choose creative this time. I'm gonna get rid of the strong and go to creative, and we're gonna go to press next. My business name is of course Flack, and let's say I make your business look better, for example. Just a slogan as a designer. Let's go. And tell us where the logo will be used. So if you choose social media, they're going to give you, actually, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video, all these preferences you can choose from, all these options for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, actually where it is going to be used exactly. So I'm going to choose, for example, this time I'm going to choose social media and print and swag, okay? Maybe an online store or a website, whatever, just these 3 types, and let's go press next. These are, watch the magic happens now. All these ideas are fucking amazing. Look at that. Look at this amazing AI logo maker. Makes, massive, clear, very, very nice. In less than a second, you come up with all these great ideas. Look at that. Look at these amazing ideas, man. Endless ideas. Look at that. Beautiful. All of them are fucking beautiful until now. I'm deeply in love with this one, to be honest. Oh my god, this one is good too. Wow, This one also looks good. So you guys, as you guys can see, you know how it goes now. You can just go type in your business name, type in whatever your style, the style that you want. So you came up with all these amazing ideas from, you know, in less than seconds, as you guys can see. So if I go with one of the logos, I will, for example, maybe go with, I like this one. Okay, let's go. Actually, let's go with this one. You can now actually play around with this logo. You can type in whatever you want. So it's going to type in like that, as you guys can see. And also you can change the font. Choose whatever font you want. For example, there are fonts like these, like that, like this one, like this one. A lot of preferences and options you can choose from. For me, let me just pick some. Yeah, I kind of like this one. This one looks. This one is the best for me. Now you can choose the color of the design you want. I love blue for me, so I might go with some sort of styles like these. Actually, let's stick with the yellow color. They are cool. Oh, you can also choose from the colors themselves. Or blue, or black, or like yellow stuff. Yeah, I kind of like this one. This one looks good. You can also go to frames and change the if you want a rectangle, if you want a circle, or whatever you want. So I like this one the most. And yeah, so at the end, I actually want the yellow one. Retro. Oh my god, this one is good, and this one is good too. Okay, I'm good with this one. Now you can go and start downloading your logo. That's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get all these things: high resolution logo with unlimited revisions, favicon, Facebook profile, YouTube image, all these things. That's what you're gonna get. So you're gonna click on download logo. So it's going to generate the logos for you. That's the one that I've created previously, and it actually kind of looks better than this one. But for tutorial purposes, I'm actually just showing you how to do it. So yeah, you're going to go and press and click on download, or press whatever you guys choose. And it's going to be all done. This is going to give you a message like that. All done. Your logo package and design files have been sent to your email. It's going to take a little bit of, a little time, like a couple minutes. Because they're actually uploading and zipping and the files and sending it to you through email on a direct link. So it might take some time, like 5 or 10 minutes or something, but you are gonna have at the end a file like that. So let me show you my email. If you have a Gmail, make sure you go down there and you go to all mail, and it's gonna come up like that. Hatchful by Shopify. I'm gonna go here. They actually sent me the second one as well, which is this one. This email, okay, that was the first logo, and that was the second one. You can actually go and press download Hatchful export. So after you unzip your files, you're just gonna go right here, and let's see what resolution is that logo. If you go to your logo, the main file is going to be named logo, and the other one is going to be named logo transparent, which is the transparent version of your logo, without the background, without the colors in behind, and all this stuff. So we're going to go here, right click, and go to properties and go to details. So as you guys can see, the dimensions, they are 1200 by 1200, 1200 pixels by 1200 pixels, which is actually enough. It is good. It is pretty good for for this, for a logo done in seconds, online, and for free, high quality, and for all these social media platforms. This is insane. This is probably the best logo maker I've ever seen on Google, to be honest. That was after some time of research, and as you guys can see, you can see a lot of other options like LinkedIn banner. As you guys can see, it is a very good banner. Also for Facebook banner, Facebook cover as well, same thing. Twitter header for Twitter. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. So that's it for today. Tell me if you have any If you know any other good sites that are actually making free logos like this in less than 5 minutes, and it's really helpful like this, comment below and tell me, and maybe share with us and share with other people your experience on how did you do your own logos using these sites. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm waiting for you in the next video. Please subscribe and also turn on the bell so you can get more notifications. Thank you, and see you later.